See. Hi everyone, how are we doing today? I hope everyone is doing good. I finished stretching my hair. I will put the link of the video where I stretched my hair in this video. So now I want to trim my hair because I have split ends. I need to trim this place off. I need to trim it off because it's not good. It's not looking good. And what I'm going to use to do this kind of scissors, these salon scissors, those ones they use in the salon, is the one that you need to trim your hair, not the one that tailors use or fashion designers use to cut materials. This one is the one that you need to trim your hair. Then I will need this kind of comb so that I will make sure that the ends are equal. I trim, I check by combing it. Then you might need some clips if you're the kind of person that you don't like your hair to be on the way when you're trying to hold another part of the hair. So you use this to clip the other one. The best way to get a better result when you want to trim your hair is to stretch your hair first. Make sure your hair is stretched so that you will actually know the length of your hair and where to trim off. See? See my split ends? Can you see it? So I need to trim. I need to trim. Make sure you comb it very well. Try to take it so that you know where to trim off. You see, here is small and here is more longer, so you have to trim it off. My own, I try to comb it several times. I trim because I don't normally trim my hair always, like more regular, so whenever I'm going to trim it, I make sure I did it in a way I won't need to trim it again in the next 2 or 3 months. So I will so we like this. This is much better. At least I know the length of my hair. They are now equal. See, so trimming your hair is very important. It's very necessary to trim the hair, especially if you have split ends like I do. So you try as much as you can to trim it so that you make sure that those places that are supposed to go out are out, so that they won't continue to split. So see, if I check if the ends are okay, then I leave. I might not need to trim it 2 times, depends on how it is. yeah, I'm done trimming my hair, so my hair is now ready for me to do anything on it. I'm happy I've achieved this by trimming the hair because I have been shifting it. So I have done trimming the hair. I just hold it with hairband so that it will be ready when I'm going to do it. So watch out for my next video on what I'm going to do after trimming my hair. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button beside it so that you will always be the first person to see my video whenever I upload. So thank you so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. And always remain blessed. Bye bye.